Today is Chuseok at Trip's school, and all the Korean kids have on their hanbok. See the little girls in their hanbok, and there's a little boy in his, and there's a little girl in her hanbok, and then here's another little boy over here in his hanbok. And some of the little girls in Trip's class took theirs off to play on the playground. But this is their playground. And this is their Thanksgiving, their Chuseok celebration. See, there's some little girls over there in their hanbok. Let's find Trip. Let's see what we've got here. Where is Trip? That's a great question. Little girls in their little pretty hanbok. And there's Natalia. She took hers off already. Hey, Trip, I didn't know where you went. What? I'm just looking at everybody's pretty little outfits that they wore for Chuseok.
I can jump into my try.
Hey, Ava. Anyway, this is the Seoul American Elementary School. Hey, Zisa. Yes, ma'am.